Next one from Ivy. How do you launch an Instagram? What should you post as your first post?
Oh, that's cute. Maybe share your story. Share the story of why you've created the business. Maybe post a really professional photo of you as the founder and just going, this is the reason why I created the business. Stories are the most powerful thing. As we can see, Instagram stories are called stories. People want to hear stories. They want to hear something that's true. So why did you create your business? Just make your first post about that. Definitely. And then my recommendation, very good point actually, talking about your first. So as soon as you launch, make sure that not only your first has something that's interesting for people to connect with your brand and understand why you're coming into the world, but also potentially post maybe 30 different posts. So put a collage, because it's not very nice when we see a new business that only has 2 squares of images. Have something so that people can at least scroll twice and they can see that you've been posting for a while. And it's okay that you post everything in the same day, but decide on your mood, your look and feel. So for example, if you guys have gone into Academy of Entrepreneurs one, we've got white and colored. So maybe just do, and then on my personal Instagram one, I've kept the same style. So some of the things I share the same, but majority of them are different. But then I love the color pink, so I put like a light pink. I love bright pink, but there wasn't that option as a filter. So I've used the light pink. So I always collect quotes and I use the pink filter. I think it's Mayfield or something, the name of the filter. So I always use the same filter. But make sure that once you launch your page, have a few so that people can scroll at least like 3 times and then they've got enough content so you look like a real business, not someone that's just launched and can't even be bothered to make 30 posts.
Yeah.
And also, like I mentioned, follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get exclusive invitations, ebooks, and many more events that we'll be doing. So this is our Facebook page, Academy of Entrepreneurs. Instagram, we've got a lot of very good blogs. We wrote, I think, 12 blogs last week. So in the next couple of weeks, every 3 days, you should be getting some incredible blogs. And then obviously also on Instagram. And if you want to talk about your business, your next step, or if you need to upskill, contact us on WhatsApp or through email on info, and all of our details on your website and also on our Instagram page. And yes, like us on Instagram and Facebook. This is our pages.